How many times have you created a reminder and wished that you could have an audible alarm to let you know when the reminder was active or due? Well, Apple has finally listened, and now there is a way to connect your reminders with your alarm clock. Let me show you how. When a reminder is tagged as urgent, what will happen is that on the date and time that you have selected, you will have an audible alarm. I'm Karen, and I make helpful videos for everyday users on how to use their technology. Please stay tuned to see all the tips. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and like my video if you found it helpful. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is open reminders, and then we're going to create a reminder. We create a reminder by pressing the plus icon in the bottom right of the screen. I'm going to write call mom, and then I'm going to go to date and time. I've chosen a time, I've chosen a date. The last thing you need to do is you'll notice a new option where it says urgent. You're going to open that by tapping. And then when you're all done, press the blue check mark circle. Now we just have to wait for 2:45 and you will see the alarm go off. Here we go. Call mom. Alarm went off exactly when I set it up, and it's connected to reminders. And just so you know, it's not listed in your alarm page at all. It's just used by the Reminders app to give you an audible alarm when you need it. Did you find this video helpful? I hope so. Click the button below and subscribe so you will know when new videos are available. If you want early access to my videos, you can join my channel. It's a great way to support a small channel. Leave me a comment below for what you'd like to learn next. See you next time.